This is Corey from IROC-Z Nation 87. Another day, we're in the same thing. Today, we're going to get started on this car because it is getting ready. The time for an end is coming. And within the next week, this car won't be here anymore. I got to do planning and organization to figure out where things are going with this. But until that time, I got to, well, not I got to, but I want to get some stuff straightened out. Well, not straightened out, but there's a lot of things I got to put together and a little bit of time. Let's get started, shall we? Alright guys, in the meantime, I didn't know Ken was here, but Ken is here. But in the meantime, this is exactly what I got on, and I got the harness, and believe it or not, it was a bit of a bitch to put it. It was a bit more of a bitch to put back in, but I have everything connected.
Why is Chubby here staring at me? Focusing.
Where it's supposed to go. It's supposed to be the map. The map has to be, there's a flat surface here where it has to be cut with a square right here for that piece to come in. I gotta look for that piece actually. Well, when I have enough time, I'll look for it, for that one piece. I was trying to look for it, I couldn't find it. But I have to find a bolt or a little screw so I can have that connected up here. And I have the OBD. Wait, OBD, isn't that supposed to be over there? Well, probably get some wires to connect the OBD and all that over there. OBD, the tachometer, yeah, all that stuff goes over there where that A pillar is. But yeah, and I did not know this, but it apparently has to be two. There has to be the map sensor that goes into the intake and it controls. You can see the voltage. It's not even focusing. I hate when it doesn't focus. And then there's the map. So there's a map and a MAF that has to go into the intake. One goes, that's weird. And I'm trying to put the catch can in. I gotta find the piece that goes there. So one piece goes into that little tube right here. And then this piece goes in the back. And that piece comes from right there.
This is it! All of the clues are coming together.
To run the catch can. And then there's something down there. I have a short amount of time, so I'm trying to get as much shit as I can done in a fucking small amount of time, because where this place is going, man, it's gonna change the face of what you think. I have a little bolt in there right now. I'm trying to find the bolts to put it in. I have the bolt for this one right here to put it in here, but for right now, like my little vlogging stick. Yeah, I don't have a tripod, so I did the best of what I could do. And as you come over here, well, I gotta have that. I gotta find the bolts for that, longer bolts. Put the longer bolts in, and for the input shaft. But I did the best that I could do to tuck and hide these. I like that, so I can hide them underneath. to make it look nice, so fresh and so clean. Yeah, I know, I did say that. Somebody's like, oh my god, you fucking...
It's unfortunate.
That does it!
But yeah, I did say that. So, with that, she's looking pretty good. Sorry that the camera's a little shaky. As I did say before, I have a lot to do in a small amount of time. And I'm just trying to hurry up and get everything out the way so everything's all prepped up and ready. Right now, I'm working on the mini starter, trying to bulk this up properly, but trying to bulk that up properly is a bitch, especially when you have to put it up here and you're trying to hold it and you're like, it's, trust me, if you think it's light, but you try lifting 10 pounds with an extended hand up above your head while laying down using your shoulder muscles, it gets pretty fucking heavy.
Anti-personnel mine weighs 8 pounds. Not much. But try holding it with an outstretched arm.
As you can see, he's headed to gas. He's trying to get something done, but that's what we have right now, and I'm trying to work on a whole bunch of other things. Oh crap, there it goes, there that one thing goes. It's probably because I was bamming on the damn starter, but can't reach from there. Have to put the belt on the right way. Ah, this belt always likes to fucking play with me. Get on there, you bitch. There you go. But I'm gonna try to bang some more shit out. The wires in there, wiring for the lights. Gotta get it ready. Because, like I said before, there's a huge surprise coming for the channel. I mean, one of the most hugest things in history of the third gen. But let me try to get some more stuff.
Come with me to Terminator, baby, if you want to live.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you something right now that I managed to get a lot done, but I wanted to get done. So, without further ado, watch this clip.
Open sesame!
Well, like I said, well, shit. Oh my, it's fucking undone. Really fucking with me if it's coming undone. Probably because when I was whacking the shit, everything started to fall off. But thanks to this guy here, that's why it is the way it is. He knows it. Everybody else here knows it. So, yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I put it the wrong way. It's supposed to go the way that it is. I have it on. If you've ever seen one of the videos. That's how we have it. Ken's photography is down at the bottom of the link. His link's always down at the bottom. See, he's got this running again. Oh, you're actually gonna try to get it on? That's a huge tight thing. Oh, it moves? Holy shit.
Stop pulling down, you're pulling down the line. Put it down, that pull it down there. Make sure it's on. No one we gotta worry about. Actually, take it off the alternator first. Because that's the smallest fucking pulley. Now put all the rest of them on.
Yep, there we go.
Alright. Pull that belt all the way to the alternator. You ready? You need to put it on as soon as it's free, okay? You ready? More. I can't go anymore. That's as far as I can go. Come on, bitch.
What do we got here? A talking horse's ass!
Son of a bitch! Well, this shit's on now. Holy shit!
You just hope, you better hope and pray it's not too tight.
Oh my god. Excuse the languages, I know it sounds like I was getting fucked in my ass. All that's gonna get, since you have no more time, it's all going to a shop.
That.
I'm probably going to spend about $4,000 on this now.
What is my purpose?
You pass butter.
Oh my god.
Yeah, welcome to the club, pal.
You gotta get rid of it.
Well, you see, well, after all this time, holy shit, I didn't know that move. Did you tighten? Oh, okay, never mind. Holy shit. I thought that was supposed to move somehow.
Yeah, it's the only one that's supposed to move. That's why I said you need to get the right one.
Well, that certainly is the right one. Oh, by the way, you know where this piece is? No, I need this piece and I need that piece. I know exactly how this runs. This engine's supposed to breathe. So this is supposed to go here. This, on this side, goes over here, and this goes right here. You had it right the first time. This goes over here, this goes in here. No, that's where this to breathe. That has to breathe. That's the main part that has to breathe. But the first way you had it was right. this going there and this going in that one. When you did it the first time, you did it the right way.
Because I'm a gummy bear, gummy bear. Fucking motherfucker!
Why did we change it backwards?
I don't know. But you had it the right way. But I'm going to close out the vlog here. So if you are stopping it for the first time, I already closed it early. Oh shit. Window motor.
Huh?
Window motor. What wiper blade motor?
Or in that box in there.
Alright. Well, if you're stopping the first time, please like, subscribe, comment down below. If you want to get a notification whenever my video comes up, please hit the notification bell. Come on guys, get us to 1,000 subscribers. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Come on guys. Share, you gotta share the videos and everything. Ken's Photography. Make sure you go to his channel, make sure you subscribe to his channel, make sure you like his channel. His information is always down at the info of every single one of my videos. Make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up. Take care and have a great day.